Hello children, today I am going to learn about singular and plural. Singular means one thing and plural means two things, more than. Okay. Before singular and plural, let me tell you day, weather and season. Which date today? Today 13 October 2020. And which day today? Today Tuesday. How is weather outside? Weather cold. And which season going on? Winter season. Children, this topic is in our senior KG. It's a new topic, singular and plural. Singular means, I have already explained, singular means one thing and plural means many. Okay. So look here. It's a pen. I draw picture on the board. It's a pen. It's a one pen. That means singular. Pen. Okay. Then there is two pen. That means pens. What we write here? Pens. And then there is which picture? Tree. Trees. Okay. Then which picture? Cup. 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 It's a one cup. So only write here cup, and that means there is right here cups. Then stars. Books. There is one book, so write here only for BOOK book, and there is two books, that means one and many, so we write here books. Okay. So children, everybody copy down in your notebook, maintain 4 lines. You write down with me. It's our topic, today topic, it's our singular and plural. Understood? So you don't draw picture, but you write down spellings with me, singular and plural. Okay. So look here. No. Look here. Picture pen. So we write here P and pen. So P and pen, because यहाँ एक ही पेन है. So we write here only for one pen. Okay. And look here, there is two pen. So what we write here? It's a singular and there is plural. So we write here P E N S. Pens. How to read? Pens. Okay. Next is which picture? Tree. It's a one tree. 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 Okay. TREE. Tree. And there is two tree. So we write here TREES. Trees. Okay. Trees. How to read? Trees. Then next is cup. 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 It's a singular. One cup is there. Cup. Singular. And there is two. Cups. Okay. Cups. And next is star. 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 Okay. Stars. Understood? Star and stars. Next is book. It's a singular. So we write here only for book. 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 And there is two books. So BOOKS. Books. Okay. Books. And there is kite. 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 There is one kite. And there is kites. Kites. Understood? Then apples, apple and apples. Okay. Then ball. Which picture is this? Ball. One ball is there only for ball, and there is two ball, so they are balls. Okay. Dog, dogs, dog, dog, and dog, dogs. Understood? So you have already write down in your notebook. Then next is, look here, next page, fill up your page. You copy down only for one page. There is fold your page and then copy down, and this one is next page, copy down. Look here. Bag, bag. Okay, bag, bag, and bag, bags, bag, bags. Then bat, singular, and bats. Okay. Now cat, cats, cat, cat, and cats, cats. Understood? And next picture, cap, cap, and caps, cap and caps. There is balloons, balloon, BALLLOON, balloon, and there is two balloons. Plural में what we write here? Balloons. Okay. Fan and fans, fan and fans. There is flower. Okay, FLOWER, flower, and there is flowers, two flowers. Understood? Ant and ants. I have no place, so I am writing downside, but you have write continuous. Okay, children, these are singular and plural. One thing, that means singular, and one and many things, there is plural. Okay, like this, one pencil, so many pencils, one book, so many books. So we write that side plural, or we put here s. Okay, you don't know do anything, only for your spelling is same. Book and book, you write only for s. That time we explain about plurals. Okay, now book number 4, no, book number 4, page number 2727. Add s to make many. Add s to make many. Understood? Children, these books number is 6 books. Okay, book number 6, not a 4. Understand? So look here, which picture is this? Pot. Pot. Now so many pots, I mean one too many, 1, 2 and 3. So we write here pots. Okay. Then next bat. At bat, and there is 4 bats. Peg. Then pegs. Okay. Then there is this zip. Okay, children, zip and zips. Cup and cups. Understood? It's exercise for page number 27, book number 6. And next exercise, book number 6, page number 2828. Understood? So look here, fill in the blanks. What is our heading? Fill in the blanks. There is 1 cat. Okay, how many cat? 1 cat. So we write here 2 cats. 2 cats. What we fill up? 2 cats. You count and write, and then singular. You write in singulars. Okay, plurals. Change the plural. Okay, 1 pen, 4 pens. Understood? Then there is 1 rat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rat? 6 rat. At rats. Okay. 1 cap. 5 cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cap. 5 caps. Understood? Then 1 hat. There is 3 hat. Okay, children, hats. Sorry, S लगेगा. Now, this same page, downside, circle the correct word for each picture. There is how many cups? So CUPS, cups. It's a cup or cups. 1 and many, that means cups. Okay. Hat, hats. Hat, hats. Bun and buns. You don't draw buns. Okay. So we circle the buns. Pen and pens. 1 minute, children. There is only for 1 bun, so only for circle the bun. And there is pens, circle the pens. Okay. Now, understood? Everybody do it. Now, book number 8. Everybody open book number 8, page number 2525. What's our heading? Look at the examples and name the pictures. That means we have draw picture on the board. So you look at the picture and you find out it's a singular or it's a plural. So whenever we write plural, that time we put S, and whenever we write singular, that time we write only for word. Okay. Like this, it's a 1 bell. Okay. It's a singular or plural? No. Singular. BELL, bell. Okay. Now next picture is ball. Which picture? Ball. 1 ball and 3 balls. There is 3 balls. So what we write here? Ball or balls? Balls. We write here balls. Understood? And then next, cat. It's a one cat, that means singular. Cat. Then hat. What is this? Hat. It's a two hats, so we write here hats. Then cap. Only for one cap, so we write in singular. There is bib, three bib, so bibs. B-I-B-S, bibs. Then dog. Dog. Then there is hot. Hearts. Heart, hearts. Top, tops. Mate, only one mate. There is one man, man, well, W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L आएगा, W-E-L-L, well. Books. So many books, I mean one too many books, there is books. Dolls. D-O-L-L-S, dolls. There is one ship only, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. And there is zip. So, zip only, na? J-E-P, zip. E-E-P, zip. Okay? It's all our topic related from singular and plural.